Right then, today we've got an absolute classic. Now, long-term damp problem at this property, somebody's been out previously, recommended 2 extraction fans and a PIV. A PIV? Through the wall PIV? Blowing in air nearly 20 litres per second in the winter? This is over-ventilating the property. It is very rare you're going to need 2 extraction fans and a PIV. This is just upselling. You want to get some wonder off you. Stay away from those one-trick ponies, an absolute waste of time, and pay for a proper investigation. In this house here, it's absolute classic textbook stuff is going on. When you've got properties of this sort of era, soakaways. Now soakaways. Listen, we've got 3 soakaways for you, and guess what's happened? I'm not going to tell you. Watch the rest of the video and you'll see for yourself. Right. This downpipe is taking all the water from the back of the house. An averagely competent surveyor would get down there, a little nosy, and you can see you've got a tank growing in. Now, lots of soakaways are bodged up or fake, shall we say, as well. And you can see just down here, you can see all the roots coming out of there. And there's the soakaway there, down on there. Well, there's the pipe down there. It's all completely blocked up down there. And obviously what happens is all this water's coming up here, comes out the top of the gutter, or it literally saturates everything around the ground there and makes it all soaking wet. You come around to this one, you got an air brick in the wall. So these are always put in when people, well, not always, but a lot of people, when they do cavity wall insulation, put these in because they haven't got to try and match the bricks in as such. You can see someone's had some bricks out. You can see someone's filled some holes where they probably put some boroscopes in there. Different times cavity wall insulation has been done. It's probably been done twice now by the looks of it. High ground level, and it's a damp proof course. Any rainwater is going to hit there and splash over, essentially getting this wall wet. This is a plastic DPC, and this one there you can see is bitumen, and you can see it's not lapped up there, stopped there, and there's a bit of a gap, shall we say. So you know something's been going on here. You can see different colours in the bricks, and you've got eco drain there, and you can just about see it's all split down there, so all the rainwater's going to run down there. Just going to put the camera down. You can see that. He's chocker. He's chocker. Just going to put it back in. Walk round to this one. Warm. Come into this one. This is there. So we're just going to drop it in. Just take the skid off. Everything looks okay. A few slugs. Bit of shit. This is the soakaway. How clear that is, you can see on there. They're completely blocked now. That's it. Stopped. And that's 2.5 metres in. So normally you should see them about 5 metres, roughly. So completely blocked. Again, this is why it soaks the walls. Avoid the one-trick pony and get proper diagnosis first time, every time.